Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Claude Agent part 2. So in last video, I have shown you that how Claude Agent is helping me in pen testing. So I have showcased you the example as well. So, but the problem was it was not able to log in into the application. So I have updated my agent and I am going to try with DVWA because it is the vulnerable application which I can try. So let's get into the screen so you will get the better understanding. So I have set up on this particular IP address which I have already utilized in OpenClaw. So if you are following me for this playlist, you can see all these IP addresses. So here I have set up my DVWA and let me go to the agent. So let's just type the command Claude and here /agents. So here you can see that the penetration tester agent which I have already showcased you in the previous video, and it is built on Opus, and the game is changing now because a lot of updates are coming over this week. So directly let's try with the give the prompt and perform the pen test. So here I am giving the prompt like perform the penetration test on target. Let me copy the target. So here we have the target. So I am giving the link. This is our target, and where you can use the credentials for the web application or web login, admin and password. So here is the default login password of the DVWA. Here I am giving the web login as a context. Also I will give you the context in the very end. So you need to identify specific vulnerabilities I am giving, the SQL injection and command injection. So these two vulnerabilities I am really focusing on right now. And for the context of the application, it is web application. Just I am giving it the simple one and hitting the enter. Just wait. It will take some time. We don't have any other option. Oh, okay. It's 529. It's too many requests. So no worries. We'll try again. So we don't have any other option to wait. Okay, let's try. So this is the common error when the Claude outrage, because of some issue internally, or we have some internet issue as well. If something is happened, this 529 error comes. So it's okay. After some time you can try again and do your job. So just again I am trying. So it's working completely now. So here, yeah, it's initializing the agent. So the penetration tester agent is initialized. It shows the web application pen test for SQL and command injection. So, and here we need to give yes. It's session and CSRF token for login page. We have say yes. And again, do you want to proceed? Yes, of course I want to proceed. So it shows the 818 tokens and it was API error. It's okay. And proceed. yes, I want to proceed. So it shows the 1000 tokens, roughly 1000 tokens is utilized here. And do you want to continue? Of course, I want to continue. And just wait. So SQL injection is identified after login. So this is the page. This is working page. Okay, so it's able to successful login. Do you want to proceed now? Yes. And roughly 1.4k tokens is utilized yet. So here you can see that SQL injection is identified, and just wait. So successfully identify the SQL injection. So it shows the union based and blind based SQL injection. Do you want to proceed? Yes. And yes, the union select with column 3, try to union select directly. And this is the column with the union based SQL injection. It is identified and trying with the different combinations. And this is scary part because I haven't given before, and it is really scary that able to identify the SQL injection. Just not because of the what we can say it's DVWA, that's why, but because of I'm giving you the first time, and in the first 5 minutes it identify the vulnerabilities. So level of the Claude agent is way beyond. It's just starting. And it is utilized 2.3k as of now. So it extract the tables, extract the version and current user. So do you, it is extract the username and password. So let's try whether it is correct or not. Just I am copy the link, and let me try with the here, just admin and give the password. Just admin and password, and here just pasting the link, and here we go. So it is working perfectly. And here we want yes, it is working perfectly fine. It identified the SQL injection very perfectly. It's try to bypass the login. It's try with the blind injection. It's a fault condition. Okay, do you want to proceed? Yes. Extract all username and password hashes. And yes. I'm just giving the two vulnerabilities, SQL injection and command injection. That's it. Yes. Just demonstrate the extracting data via blind SQL. I extract first character of the database version, blah blah blah. It is fine. Yes. So time based SQL injection also identify the, it is roughly 3.5k tokens is utilized yet. It's clear extraction of first character. It's matching with A. It's trying different combinations. And taste the command injection. Now it's trying with the command injection with the ping functionality, and you can see that it's roughly 3 minutes extracting first character, the test command injection, and it is trying with the pipe injection, the semicolon injection, and different injection it is trying. So yes, and yet 4000 tokens is utilized yet, roughly 4000. So just wait. Waiting, yes. Allow reading from the Punit Darji. Yeah, we need to give the permission. Always give the permission because it utilized in the internally. Okay, do you want to proceed? Yes, I want to proceed again. So it's roughly 4.5k utilized, and it's roughly 4 minutes when I started. And waiting for the output. It will create the report as well, so stay tuned. Yes, and here we go. Something, it says that 27 tool is utilized and 28,000 tokens is utilized, roughly 8 minutes. So here the proper result, and it's pretty amazing. It shows the penetration testing result, it shows the plain text, hash, the not vulnerable the SQL injection. Login is not vulnerable to SQL injection, but it identifies the plain text, it identifies the username, and pretty amazing. So let's say the OS command, it identify with the post request, the vulnerability execution, and here the POC, the semicolon, and give the ID, you will get the output. So DB credentials dump, identify the Docker container environment. So this is pretty amazing. And the penetration test results, this is the proper report, I would say. And here the response and the entire output. So what we have given the prompt, so perform the penetration test, the authorization context, we have given the credentials, and these are the objectives that the automatically agent apply. The approach, it is created by themselves, and they test, login, the SQL injection, error base, etc. After login, admin password, map all the functionality, and here the curl command, the response, they extract the credentials from the app vulnerable on the local host. Database is DVWA. This complete evidence collection of the compile the pentest report. So this is the executive summary, the environment information, etc. It is given, and this is pretty much as a pen tester required. So I am doing the pen testing, and I require the executive summary, the penetration testing results. So I am amazed. I am amazed with these results. So it shows the finding 1, the impact, the finding 2, impact proof of concept, and everything it is into the report. So yeah, this is really what we want as a penetration tester. So finding 1, it's called the union based SQL injection. This is the proof of concept. So union based DVWA, dump all the credentials, database enumeration, and this is the boolean based and time based SQL injection. This is the location where the vulnerability arise. So this is the proof of concept, and this is the OS command injection where in the post request it is vulnerable. So here the semicolon, damn. So missing security headers, again login form not vulnerable to SQL injection, it's okay. Here the remediation, the critical finding, and the entire credential dump. So this is what we expect as a penetration tester in the report, and this is exactly we get as a Claude agent. So this is what I built as a Claude agent, and this is game changing, and I am really excited. I'm really excited because the mythos is in the way. I don't know you heard or not, because it is not going to be public, but somehow we will get something, and the cybersecurity game is going to change now, and I'm really excited for that. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then share with your InfoSec friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.